In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Canva for your graphic design needs. Whether you are looking to create stunning social media posts, professional presentations, eye-catching posters, or even your very own brand logo, Canva is a fantastic, free-to-use tool that makes it all possible. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned designers alike due to its intuitive interface and wide array of customizable templates. To start using Canva, you first need to open up your web browser and head over to the Canva website. If you're not already familiar with it, Canva is an online platform that offers a plethora of design resources all at your fingertips. Once you're on the site, if you're not already logged in, it's a good time to create an account or sign in. This helps in saving your designs for future edits, ensuring that you can easily access your projects from any device. Now that you're on your Canva homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the Create button, which you will find prominently placed at the top left of the screen. This button is your gateway to a world of design possibilities. When you click it, you'll see a menu unfolds before you, presenting various design options. These options aren't limited to just typical graphic designs. You can also produce documents, whiteboards, presentations, and much more. Canva makes it incredibly simple to get precisely what you need with its wide variety of templates. You can select from pre-designed templates that fit your creative vision or tailor your design project based on size, style, or specific requirements. Throughout this process, it's essential to think about the purpose of your design. Are you crafting a social media post intended to grab attention with vibrant colors and bold fonts? Or perhaps a basic and professional resume for job applications? Understanding the goal behind your design helps in choosing the right template and customizing it to your needs. Canva's search bar is quite handy here. It allows you to type in keywords related to your design project and quickly find related templates. Once you've made your selections and are ready to bring your creativity to life, go ahead and start customizing your design by adding text, images, elements, and more. Canva's user-friendly drag-and-drop interface lets you adjust elements within your project easily. Plus, with a little practice, experimenting with different fonts, colors, and backgrounds becomes fun and incredibly efficient. Finally, when you're finished with your masterpiece, don't forget to save your work. You can download it in various formats such as PDF, PNG, or JPEG depending on what suits your needs best. And that's it. You've completed your first project in Canva. Congratulations on getting started with this amazing design tool. Remember, as you become more comfortable with Canva, you'll discover even more features and possibilities to explore. So stay creative and keep designing.